What are some important aspects of maintaining mental health?
Important aspects include managing stress, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in regular physical activity.
How do you incorporate self-care into your routine?
I incorporate self-care by setting aside time each day for relaxation, engaging in hobbies, and ensuring I get enough sleep.
What are your strategies for staying physically active?
My strategies include setting a consistent workout routine, finding physical activities that I enjoy, and mixing up my workouts to stay motivated.
How do you ensure a balanced diet and proper nutrition?
I ensure a balanced diet by planning meals in advance, focusing on whole foods, and including a variety of fruits and vegetables in my diet.
What are some practices for improving sleep quality?
Practices include establishing a consistent bedtime routine, creating a relaxing environment, and avoiding caffeine late in the day.
How do you handle emotional challenges or difficult situations?
I handle emotional challenges by talking to a trusted friend or therapist, practicing coping strategies like deep breathing, and staying physically active.
What role does regular exercise play in overall well-being?
Regular exercise plays a significant role by improving cardiovascular health, enhancing mood through the release of endorphins, and boosting energy levels.
How do you stay motivated to achieve your health goals?
I stay motivated by setting clear, achievable goals, tracking my progress regularly, and rewarding myself for small accomplishments.
What are some effective ways to manage work-related stress?
Effective ways to manage work-related stress include taking regular breaks, practicing relaxation techniques like meditation, and ensuring a healthy work-life balance.
How do you maintain a positive outlook on life?
I maintain a positive outlook by focusing on gratitude, setting optimistic goals, and surrounding myself with supportive, positive people.